Hare Krishna, we were created by our biological parents, but we have a universal father and a universal mother always working for every single moment of our life. Sun and moon creating such energies known as Panchanga, the five elements, the five limbs of this universe. And modern day Jyotish have completely forgotten how we can access and find the energies of these five limbs and superimpose in our horoscopes. Ladies and gentlemen, you'll be surprised that just by understanding the Vara, the day on which a native is born, we can understand longevity of that native. There is a planet associated with the Vara. Same goes to Tithi. If you want to understand the prosperity, the money, the luxury that you will enjoy in your life, beside all the good and bad combinations in the chart, you need to understand the Tithi on which you are born, or even the present Tithi. In the same time, your karmas are directly associated with nakshatras. And just by understanding the nakshatra of the day when you are born and the present nakshatra, you can understand the karmas. Will you have a good karmic effect or a worst karmic effect in your life is all about nakshatras. And then you have yoga and karna. To understand the afflictions of your horoscope, you need to understand the yogas. And even you understand the karna, you understand achievements of your life. And imagine if we've forgotten all these five elements and we are reading our charts without them. Every time I start my consultation, I start with the Panchanga of the day when a native is born, and also the Panchanga on which I am giving the consultation. This gives me more than 50% of the information required to help someone to maneuver a beautiful life. I'm coming here with the workshop on Panchanga to help you understand the five elements, the energies of your horoscope, of your body and the universe, and then superimpose them over each other to help you understand your karmas, your achievements, your longevity, the wealth, health and prosperity in your life. Join me. We have dates in the description, right? It will be a 2 days class and you have complete clarity on the five elements, on the energies, on the Panchanga, the election Panchanga and the Panchanga of your personal chart. That is where I'll try and focus on, so that it becomes such a platform in your life where you can move ahead and you can move ahead with grace. Thank you. Hare Krishna.